Hey everyone! If your iPhone says photo access is private or an app can't access your photos, here's how to fix it quickly. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and find app that can't access your photos, like Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and more. Tap the app and select Photos. Choose all photos to give full access. If it's set to none or selected photos, the app can't view your images. Go back and make sure privacy and security. Click photos. Also list the app with access turned on. If it still doesn't work, try to restart your iPhone and check again. And you can also go to the settings and click the screen time and here select the content and privacy restrictions and select photos and make sure that restrictions are off. And that's it. You've fixed the photos access private issue in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.